Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, today in this video, I am going to solve TCS Digital Advanced Aptitude problem, and the examination was conducted on 7th of May 2022. That means yesterday. Friends, my throat is not completely well, so please try to manage in this video. Okay, so I'll be solving few of the questions from TCS digital examination, and I will also tell you so like how in Telegram groups the answers which is provided is wrong, and even there are some questions for which options were not correct. Okay, so I have also taken the some of the snapshots from the Telegram where students are paying, and even after paying the amount they are getting the wrong answers. Okay, now so friends, question number one. So this particular questions I have taken here. So why I have taken the screenshot, because many of the students will tell, sir, this is not TCS digital question. Okay, so you can see TCS digital advanced quantitative aptitude problem. Okay, and this is problem number 10, and this problem is very simple. So if the average of 5 consecutive odd number is 27. Okay, now so friends, if we have 5 consecutive odd number or 5 consecutive even number, then always the average will be the middle number. Okay, so average is nothing but 27 they have given, and it is consecutive odd. So the next number will be 29 and then 31, and two numbers will be just behind that. Okay, so your average will be always the middle number in case of if you have 5 consecutive odd or even number, the average will be the middle number. Okay, suppose if the average is 24, okay, then so two number this side and two number this side, so this will become your 5 consecutive even number, because it will be always the middle number. Now then what will be the sum of the largest number and the average? So the largest number is 31, and the average is already given is nothing but 27. Okay, so 7 plus 1 is 8 and 3 plus 2 is 5, so 58. Okay, so this is a question. So if the average of 5 consecutive odd number is 27, then what will be the sum of largest number and the average? Now there is no option 58. Okay, and in Telegram group the answer which was circulated was 60. For that, a student has to pay the amount, and then they will be getting the wrong answer. So for this question you will be getting the bonus marks. So for this question you will be getting the bonus marks. Okay, as the option is not here. So if you have not attempted this particular problem, then you will be able to get the bonus marks. But if you have attempted and then you have got 60, then TCE depends upon the TCS. So what TCS is going to do it. Okay, but this was a very simple question. You could see like in one line we will be able to solve it, because we know the average is 27, then 27, 29 and 31. So 27 plus 31 will be 58. Okay, now so this is question number one. So that is the reason I always say you do not depend upon the Telegram group answers. Okay, so even though you will be paying, they will be simply sending the answers, nobody will be solving the questions. Okay, so these are the Telegram answers. I don't know the Telegram group names, so these are the screenshots which is there, and you must be able to see that. Now question number two. So for that also the answers which was given in the Telegram group was wrong. So answer is not 45 kilometer, answer will be 60 kilometer. I will also prove with when I will solve the question. Okay, so I mean with the options I will be able to prove it. But before that, friends, I just wanted to tell you, so if you have not followed our YouTube channel, then please do follow, because we are really putting a lot of effort for you guys, even though I'm not well. So you might see the number of videos are less here because I'm not well, and somehow I'm trying to recover as soon as possible. Okay, so but if you guys will not cooperate, then definitely, like, there is no use of putting so much of effort. So definitely a cooperation is required from you. So please subscribe and also click on the bell icon so that you get all the videos on time. Now question number two. So the question is, a car covers the distance between 2 points in 45 minutes. So suppose the 2 points is X and Y, and the distance between them is D, which I have assumed. Okay, now so a car is covering the distance in 45 minutes. The speed of the car is not given, so I assumed S. Now so if the speed of the car is reduced by 5 kilometers per hour, so let me make one more diagram, because diagram makes the problem easier. So if the a speed of the car is reduced by 5 kilometers. So now the speed is what? S minus 5 kilometer per hour. Okay. And the time taken to cover the distance increases to 48 minutes. So earlier it was 45 minutes. So now it will become 48 minutes. Then what is the distance between the 2 points? So basically you need to calculate the value of D, and the same problem, the distance you have to calculate. So a car covers the distance between the 2 points in 45 minutes. If the speed of the car is reduced by 5 kilometers per hour, then the time taken to cover the distance increases to 48 minutes. What is the distance between the 2 points? Okay. So the speed is given in kilometer per hour. Okay. Now, so the time also we need to calculate in the hour. So 45 minutes means if we'll divide by 60, then 15 threes are and 15 fours are 3 by 4 hours. 48 minutes. So if we have to convert it to hours, divide by 60. So 12 fours are and 12 fives are. So 4 by 5 hours. And here it is 3 by 4 hours. Okay. Now, so this 1 and this is 2, I will marking it out. So from 1, we will try to make one equation. So from 1, distance will be equal to speed into time. So distance is D only, speed is S, and time is nothing but 3 by 4 hours. Okay, fine. Then from second, we can write the same equation because distance is same. See, what is common here, what is same here is distance. See, in time, speed and distance, always one parameter has to be same. Okay, so here distance is same. So speed is reduced by 5 kilometers and time is nothing but 4 by 5. So equation 1 and equation 2, D is same. So we will equate the values. So 3s by 4 is equals to 4 by 5 into s minus 5. So now 3s by 4 will be equal to 4s by 5 minus 4 into 5 will be 20 and 20 divided by 5 will be 4. This is what we have to solve. So 4s by 5 minus 3s by 4 will be equal to 4. And this will be 20. So 5 4 ja 16s minus 4 5 ja, so 15s will be equal to 4. So S will be equal to 4 into 20, which is nothing but 80. So we got the speed. Now we need to calculate the distance. So distance is nothing but S into 3 by 4. So S is 80 into 3 by 4. So 4 2s are and 20 into 3 will be 60. So 60 kilometer will be the correct answer. But as per the Telegram group, the correct answer is 45 kilometer. Okay, now I will tell you why 45 kilometer is not the correct answer. So if you have any doubt, you can also put in the comment box. I will try to solve. I'll try to answer. But why the answer is not 45 minutes, I will prove it here. So suppose the distance what they have given in Telegram group is 45 kilometer. I assumed time is 45 minutes. So if when we had converted to hours, then it is nothing but 3 by 4 hours. Okay, fine. So what will become the speed? So speed will become distance by time. So 45 divided by 3, this 4 will go up. So 15 times speed will become 60. Now, second case, again, the distance is same 45 kilometer and time is what? 48 minutes. That means 4 by 5 hours. That is what we had written here. So 4 by 5 hours. So what will be the speed? So 45 divided by 4 into 5. Now, so if we try to divide 225 by 4, and 4 5s will be 20 and 4 6s will be 20 for 56.25. So if you'll subtract this, you will be getting around 3.75. Okay, so 3.75 plus this will be 4 and plus this. So 3.475 kilometer per hour. But what they're telling, so if the speed of the car is reduced by 5 kilometer per hour, it is not reduced by 5 kilometer per hour, it is reduced by 3.7 kilometer per hour. So this answer is completely wrong. So friends, if you depend on the Telegram group, then your selection also will depend upon Telegram group, right? So you are seeing this, even they are not verifying the answers, okay, through the optionals. Okay, so the correct answer here will become 60 kilometer for the question number 3, right? So see, this is question number 3. Okay, see, this is question number 10. Okay, so for question number 10, they have given the answer as 60. So be very, very careful. Now, so this is a question of compound interest. So a sum of money, that is principal we don't know, let us keep it as P. So a sum of money when invested at 20% rate of interest, rate will be 20%. compounded half yearly. So when it is compounded half yearly, and if you'll watch our videos, then clearly I have told you what I have told you, I will tell you. Okay. So rate is equal to this compounded half yearly amounts to total of, so amount they have given 1331 after an year, time is equal to 1 year. Okay. Now, so friends, half yearly means 6 months, right? Okay. See, earlier it was yearly, earlier it was annually. Yearly, annually means what? So I'll be meeting you only once in a year. So I'll be meeting you only once in a year. But half yearly means what? Half yearly means you will be meeting twice. Okay. But nowadays people are meeting daily. Nowadays people are meeting daily. Okay. So earlier it was annually. Half yearly means twice. So you are going to meet twice. So now your time will be not 1 year. So now your time will become you multiplied by 2 times. That means you are going to meet 2 times in a year. Okay. So your time will multiplied by 2, and your rate will become half. Why your rate will become half? Because see, earlier in 1 year, you are giving a gift of 20,000, suppose, but now if you'll meet twice in a year, so then you will be giving 20,000 divided by 2. That means 10,000 gift every time. If you're meeting daily, obviously you will not give the gifts. So you'll only go for dinner, lunch, breakfast, whatever it is, right? So the rate will become half and time will become twice if it is compounded half yearly. Okay. Now based on the simple formula, so A will be equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power N. So amount is 1331. Principal we need to calculate. 1 by R is 10 divided by 100, N is 2. So 1331 is equals to P into, so 110 by 100 square. So 1010 cancelled. Okay. So 1331 will be equal to P into 11 into 11 divided by 10 into 10. Okay. See, 11 cube is nothing but 1331. Okay. So this is 11 square. So this will divide by 11 time. So P will become equal to 11 and 2 more 0. So 1100. So only this answer was correct. Okay. So I'm sorry. Yeah. So this is option C will be the correct answer. So friend, this is how, so your TCS digital advanced aptitude problem were asked. And if you're interested and if you like this video, then please do comment below, so I will be able to do more and more videos for you. See, if you guys want something, if you guys like something, then definitely I will be uh, doing it for you. And even though I'm not well, I'm doing it for you. So please support us here, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to click on bell icon. So here you can see I am also a big fan of Carrie Minati. So thank you. All the best. We'll meet soon in the other videos.